Hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Rains, and I actually went to Central Michigan University, which is located in Mount Pleasant, Michigan. I am originally from Michigan, and so that is why I went to a Michigan school. We are the Chippewas, or the Flying C's. Why I picked Central Michigan was basically because of their education program. I have always known what I wanted to do, and so that made it really easy for me when picking schools to know that I was looking at that specific program and what my course load would look like and how they were going to train me for my future career. And so I really liked how Central had set their program up, and so that was why it was my first choice. After I knew that I was going to Central, I also was able to get some academic scholarships, which really helped out um, in that department as well. So that really helped me out and solidified my choice to go to Central. My specific degree is in secondary education, and I was able to major in secondary ed and English and history. So that was part of the way that they set up their program, where I was actually majoring in the areas that I was going to teach and also in education as well. There were a ton of opportunities once I got to campus for me to get involved in, which I loved. I loved to get involved and to just stay busy. But what I really liked about Central and also just college in general is that there's so many opportunities offered to students, whether it's experiences to go and do things or just clubs, organizations to get involved in. You can definitely find things that are very unique to you or to what you're passionate about and get involved in those. And because I was able to do that, I was able to have so many great experiences and meet so many great people that were very similar to me or had very similar passions to me. And so another thing I would say that I really loved about college was able being able to get to meet so many different people and to get to make so many different friends that I still have today.